In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send available meeting times in Google Calendar via Gmail. This process is incredibly handy for scheduling meetings efficiently and ensuring everyone involved can easily identify and agree on a convenient time. Let's break it down in a friendly and straightforward manner. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once there, ensure you're signed in with your Google account, as this will allow the calendar to sync with your Gmail. Now, let's identify the times you're available for the meeting. Take a look at your schedule and decide on several time slots that work for you. This flexibility allows the recipient to choose the best option for their schedule, minimizing back and forth emails. Next, you'll want to create a new event. Click on the Create button, usually found at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a window where you can fill out the details of the meeting. Here, it's crucial to input a descriptive title for the meeting, something that clearly specifies the purpose or subject. This helps the recipient immediately understand what the meeting entails. In the Details section, you can choose the potential time slots. To ensure you provide multiple options, consider creating separate events for each time slot you're available. Don't worry, technology is our friend here, and I'll guide you through making this as smooth as possible. After setting up your meeting times, it's time to move to Gmail to send these options via email. Once you've got your email drafted, navigate to the bottom of the email composition window. You'll notice a paperclip-like icon. Click on that to open the Insert Invitation feature. This facilitates easy addition of your proposed time slots from Google Calendar into your email. Select the time slots you've prepared from your calendar. This integrates seamlessly, allowing the recipient to view and select their preferred meeting time directly from the email. It's a feature that not only displays the available times, but also updates your calendar once the recipient confirms their choice, keeping everything in sync without duplicating efforts. Before hitting send, consider your message's wording. A polite opening, clear instructions for selecting a time, and a courteous closing can significantly enhance your email's effectiveness. Encourage them to choose a time by a specific date if needed, to ensure prompt scheduling. Once you're satisfied with your email, press send. Congratulations, you've now efficiently sent available meeting times using Google Calendar via Gmail. Remember, this method saves everyone a lot of time and sets the stage for smooth communication and planning. With practice, this process becomes second nature, empowering you to manage your time and meetings more effectively. Stay organized and enjoy the seamless integration of Google's tools.